Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to monetize TikTok. So first of all, TikTok monetization, you need to get 10,000 followers and 100k views at the last 30 days. So after that, you can see a page like this. You can see there is a monetization option here. So, there are 10 ways to monetize your TikTok account. Number 1, TikTok Creator Fund. Number 2, live streaming on TikTok. Number 3, TikTok Creator Marketplace. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Number 5, TikTok Shopping. Number 6, TikTok Ads. Number 7, collect tips or donations. Number 8, TikTok Plus. Number 9, TikTok Series. And at the last, number 10, video gifts. After that, you can monetize your TikTok account. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.